want to make the items in your navigation menu have a different weighting when it's an active page. Now at the moment, over here on this navigation menu, right, if I go to style, we have the option to set the color. So at the moment, my colors are the same regardless. The problem is though, the typography will also be the same regardless. There is no option for me to say, right, if you are now on the mastery modules page or the merchandise, make it be bolder. I want to keep the color the same, but I want to change the boldness or the weighting. Really simple to do with a bit of CSS code. Let's just click on the navigation menu. At the moment, I should point out that my current menu has a weighting of 400. And I'm just going to have a look and see what it looks like with 500. And if I was to go with 600, that's going to be a lot bolder. I'm quite happy leaving it as, say, 500 when it's actually now the active page. So if we now go to advanced and go down to custom CSS, we're going to drop it in. If you don't have Elementor Pro, which you should have, my recommendation, you can do this in your theme, customize CSS or code snippets or something like that. We're going to drop in a bit of code here. This code says that if you are the current page, make the font weight be 500, or if you hover, also be 500. This will be pasted in the description. However, I'm actually going to get rid of the hover one, but if you did want to have that enabled, you could do. There's a reason I'm not going to enable it, because you noticed, right, that when I changed the font to say 500, the words all moved a bit because it's now extra weighting to the words. So if you want that bit of movement, which I don't recommend, I would only have it go a different weight when you're actually now on the page. I would leave that as it is. So I'm going to go with font weight 500 for the current menu item. Let's hit update on that. Obviously, it's not going to change because we're in the edit mode. Clear your cache and then go and look at your website. We're in top secret private mode now. And as you can see, the HQ or the homepage is in bold. It's subtle. It's not like full blown like, whoa, weight 900 going on here. If I go to the mastery module, the page loads up. You've got all of your master modules, but look at that. That is now a slightly different bold color. What happens when we go to merchandise? That is now in a bold color. Simple CSS code, which you could apply for hover as well, but I don't recommend a hover, mainly because your words will move a little bit, but you might be okay with that. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. I'm Imran, Web Squadron. I'll see you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat.